Ladies and gents, it's Flack. Here we have a TH8A add-on shifter by Thrustmaster. I'm a big sim racer guy. In fact, hold on, I'll show you real quick. There we are. I got a G29 here with the pedals. Yeah, I've been a sim racer for a long time. My first racing game was, well, hold on, let me show you. It was either this, which literally just says racing, or Gran Turismo. This is probably my favorite game in the entire world is Gran Turismo when it comes to sim racing because it's realistic. However, it's not like certain games which make it intentionally difficult where it's unrealistic. So let's open her up. Using my ZT0055, my favorite knife. The weight of this thing is ridiculous. I'm going to need to take this off shot. Hold on. Throw that box in the other box that it came with. Got some user manual, probably in 30 different languages. A plate. Some cardboard, a shift knob, which that's pretty light. I'm more of a heavy shift knob guy. Some more cardboard. This thingamajig, which is the shifter itself. Wow, that is heavy. Let me take it out of plastic. I'm going to take this off shot real quick. Oh, that feels so nice. I'm not sure if that's a proprietary connector, but if it is, I'm not really a fan of proprietary connectors. However, it does appear to come with, yes, a USB lead. Well, that was the inside the box. Oh, and you also get a piece of foam, too. But this is very nice. This thing weighs, I'm going to say 5 pounds. Although I don't know exactly. Yes, it does have fabric inside. Kind of weird how it sticks between there. Typically on my carts, right in the middle, but the neutral position is there. Let's see how it works. So forgot to add, you get an Allen wrench and some 2 screws. This puppy can do. This is with a TH8A shifter, a G29 steering wheel and pedals. We're using a Veloster N on Laguna Seca, in Forza 7 on PC. I'm going to do a slow lap. Let's begin. So, first things first, this is a great shifter. However, there's a couple problems with it. One, there's no shift feel. I like a notchy shifter, like where you can feel the click of the shift happening, you can feel the actuation, but that's because this thing uses magnets instead of using switches or any kind of mechanical actuation. Another problem with it is the adjustment torsion screw is made out of a soft metal, softer than this flat blade screwdriver that's on my desk right now. If you were to adjust it all the time, I can foresee it stripping it. But let's go for a fast lap now. No promises on not crashing. Don't expect some amazing driving. I am totally new at using a steering wheel and a shifter in a game, besides arcade games, which those games are already very easy. They're simplified for the mass population. They aren't simulators, or 99% of them aren't simulators. So, do I recommend the TH8A? Depending on the game that you play, and if it's compatible, yes, I do. It's not a bad shifter. Feels quality, but yet again, it does have its cons. That tension screw is incredibly tough to tighten and loosen, which is what I think contributed to this screwdriver stripping it out. Not stripping it out, but it cammed the slot slightly. But if it's compatible, I do recommend the shifter. Thank you for watching.